over there.
All right, hey, we decided to go live again. We usually only go live first thing in the morning, but we just wanted to let you guys see Wagwan, okay?
Yeah, man.
So we'll wait for a couple people to come on the line, and we are here at the Tyler Mall Galleria at the Farmers Market. We're here every Sunday.
In Riverside, California.
Where, babe?
Riverside, Cali.
Riverside.
Yeah, man.
Riverside, down by the riverside.
Down by the riverside.
Down
by. Okay. I haven't been to church in a while, so.
It's okay, babe. You're still blessed. All right, so we're here at Tyler Mall. So we just want to tell you what's going on. Today we have bath bombs, 2 for $5. And if you go on our website, www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com, we have buy 2 items and get 1 free. Okay? Or if you go under Jamaican almond oil, we have buy 1, get 1 free on the bath bombs, which make them 2 for $5. So definitely hit us up, check us out. And these are the benefits of our almond oil. Oh, getting a lot of sunshine in here. Nothing wrong with that, right?
Hello, ladies.
Hi.
Would you guys like to try a sample of our Jamaican almond oil today? Okay, you guys have a wonderful day.
It's wonderful for the skin. That dry skin. Get rid of your dry skin today. What happened to you, sister? What happened to you whenever you put the almond oil on? Talk to him.
I'm real moisturized.
Okay.
I was real ashy this morning.
Yeah? And you put some of that almond oil on?
Yes, I love it.
Okay, so we got the paparazzi lady here. Y'all know about paparazzi with the $5. Those ladies bought that necklace, didn't they?
They sure did.
That gold one, that was sharp.
Yes.
So you got the $5 paparazzi, cutie, everything $5. We don't have anybody on our live, but that's okay, right? They'll pop up soon. Where did my husband go? Oh, you think you can run off, huh? Where did he go? Right, he was gone. Right? Stage left exit. All right, that's all right. All right, well, I guess that's the end of my life.
That was funny. You turned it on. He was out.
Where's my friend in them at?
Yep, but I sure am. I'm using on my pros.
Okay.
But the almond oil, you said, I heard you saying something about the other one that works good for the pros.
The meringue oil. So the meringue oil is from the and I'll give you a sample of it. Let me see. I have to go into my own purse. I don't know why he doesn't have a sample of that, but I have my own at all times. Okay, we're ending our life.